Good day everyone, for you here, in this video I'll be showing you this 6 series 100 ringgit notes. I was actually planning to wait to get the other 100 ringgit because this one there's two printer. One is Thomas T.D.L.R, another one is the US banknotes. But because I just recently deal with another dealer and he giving me this for free, so I decided to use this one first for my video. So for the title, I will say this is a T.D.L.R version. In future I'll be doing another one for the US banknotes version. But for now we'll use this for today education. The only difference between the two printers is slightly maybe the argon face is a bit more detailed or darker, lighter, but the overall design is still the same. Alright, now let's take a look at what the book can tell us. Now for the 6 series 100 ringgit notes is issued around 1986 to 1995, and the bank negara governor at the period is Tan Sri Dato Jaffar bin Hussein. Now this is the signature of the governor at the period. Now this is let's take a look at the detail. Now the size of the note is 150 mm times 83 mm. There are two printers, Thomas T.D.L.R and US banknotes. But today I'll only be able to show you the Thomas T.D.L.R one. But the design is still the same, except the color might be lighter or darker in certain area. Now the price here are for uncirculated banknotes. Do take note about it. And if your notes have 1/4, the value will drop by 50%. If you have another few more 4, then the value drop by 75%. So make sure don't get too overexcited just because the number here is big. I will leave it like this for a while for those of you who want to check the price. But do take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price can go up and down because of certain situation. Do forgive me about the background, it's a bit noisy now. Shop opening. Now let's take a look at the notes. This is how the notes look like in the front. I always like the notes during this period because there's a lot of let's just say pattern or art. Behind here is the National Mosque building. Now how to see the notes is from which printer is by looking at the corner here. As you can see, it's right here, Thomas T.D.L.R. I shall do another video for these 100 ringgit notes in future once I got the US banknotes one. And this is how the notes is. This is how the 100 ringgit notes look like for the 6 series. The whole design for both returns is the same, except the color maybe is lighter, darker. Some detail is more detail. Now I think I'm showing you the UV light version. Hold on, let me pause the video. Alright, during that period they already have UV light security, and to check whether it's counterfeit or not, make sure you have this Bank Negara Malaysia 100 in the middle. Let's take a look at the other side. I think there's nothing behind it, but then it's still quite a new technology to be used. Alright, let me pause the video now. Alright guys, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it a like. And if you are watching this from Steamit Don't forget to upload the post and sharing it. And hope you see you on another time. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.